Alright, I just got done installing Ecor's cold climate heat pump and air handler. I like a lot about the system so far. I think that the most impressive part yet is the only need for a 2-wire from the thermostat to the air handler and a 2-wire from the air handler to the heat pump. Let me show you. So here's 2-wire to the thermostat. Here's 2-wire to the outdoor heat pump, which is really nice if you have a traditional system and you're unable to fish a wire. This one happened to have a heat pump before, so I have the 8-wire. But if you had only 2-wire, this would work out perfectly. Especially this one is on the second floor of a house, so fishing a wire downstairs would have been near to impossible. As you see, the line goes through a wall and I don't know where it goes from there, but it does have the option to hook up a regular 24-volt thermostat. This one, to use the 2-wire function, you'll need the Ecor thermostat, but totally worth it. The incoming power, super simple. The cabinet itself is great, sturdy. Came with a flare fitting extension you can solder onto and then torque it down. I needed a wet switch, condensate switch for this one since it is on the second floor. Super easy to hook up. There it is. 2-wire to that.